Hi everybody, welcome to video number 4 in February's card class. We're continuing to use the hot air balloon bundle and a lighter than air suite. For this card, we're going to create a nice little central scene on the card, and it's got another little just a note to lift you up sentiment on, so a card for any occasion. We're starting with a card base that's cut from a Fresh Freesia card. There is a layer of, I've called it a chevron pattern DSP. So stick that straight onto the front of the card. And then for the inside of the card, you have a piece of white card as well, that again you can just stick straight in. There you go. For the background, you have in your kit a square die. So you're going to pop that on the card front with some foam pads just to raise it ever so slightly and create a little bit more detail, a little bit of texture. And you can use the lines on this to line it up straight, which is always quite nice. Now you will have a selection of die cut pieces. For the balloons have actually been cut from the designer series paper. So you're going to layer this all together. You've got your banner with the fishtail ends to stick straight onto the large balloon. And then over the top of that, you're going to stick on the little detailed die. A bit of layering. And that sits just nicely inside. Really, really pretty that. Okay. That's going to get stuck down to the card front. And I'm overhanging that just ever so slightly. Okay. You've got a hot air balloon basket cut from purple card, so that can get stuck on as well. Just slide those strings underneath. Okay. Then for the heart-shaped balloon, you've got this lovely die-cut heart shape, and then you have this detailed die. That's cut from Pool Party card, and that just layers inside there with a little bit of outline. Such a pretty die that. That's going to be our second hot air balloon, and this is going to get stuck on with a foam pad just to overlap it ever so slightly. And I've stuck that on so that the bottom of the heart just sits below the square. Another basket. I'll just slide that underneath. Like so. Okay. And then I've got a cloud, which I'm going to put the cloud on with a dimensional as well. And that's going to sit just about there to give the illusion that that one is behind the cloud. Next, I've got my sentiment strip. I'm using just a note to lift you up. So this is going to be stamped in Fresh Freesia. No, this is going to be stamped in Pool Party, sorry. And the height of the piece of the little strip is just 1 centimetre, so not very big at all. Just a note to lift you up. With a fishtail, not fishtail, I'm going to just trim off the edges of that, and then that can get stuck on just there. perfect sentiment. I love the way these sentiments coordinate with what the images are. It's so much fun. So next I'm going to tie myself a little bow from the blue baker's twine. And trim off those strands. And I'm going to stick this on just with a little dot of blue. There we are. So that's almost done. All I've got left to do is stick on a couple of little embellishments. I'm using the yellow dots this time. You can use any colour you like, though. They're all coordinating with the sweets. And that's it. Card number 4, all done. So we have one card left to make, and I will see you all over on the last video, which should be popping up about now. Bye for now.